Hi there, it's George here. Today I will have to propagate African violet by leaves. You know, I have this plant and I have only one, but in the past I had more of this, like 15. That's it, I have to propagate again to have many, because I love these plants, and why not have many? That's it, I have to cut some leaves, and I will put those leaves in water, and then will grow roots in a few weeks, I guess in 3 weeks. Then I will have to plant in the soil, but that will be in another video. So this plant in my home is already for almost 10 years, and summer it will be. I bought in 2016, and not this plant but the variety, because I propagated and gifted, and yeah. So I just have to cut the leaves, and this is an experiment, it's like a vlog for my plants. I did in the past that video, but I have to try again to do that video again, so it's for me and for you if you like my videos as well. Let's start. So now I have to choose 3 leaves which I will have to cut, and let's try. I can see this one is good, it is healthy and looking lush and strong. This one as well, and this one I have to cut. Next, another leaves are like not very healthy and they will not grow roots, I guess, and that's it. For example, like this one, it's not very healthy leaves. Only these 3 leaves I noticed, and I will have to cut them and propagate. But first of all, I have to clean my instrument. That's it. But now let's cut all these leaves which I did show you. So I have a little bit of distilled water and I'm gonna use it. Let's add here. As you can see, it's less water than the first time I tried. Well, in about 3 weeks should grow roots, and I will keep update on this. So I put this on the heat mat and will grow roots more fast, and I have to check every day the water will dry, that's it. Have to add water every day, it means. But I will do that, and in one day the roots will appear. That will be beautiful. So now I wait for result, 3 weeks or more to grow roots, and I will post a video update on this. Stay tuned on my channel, greetings from Moldova. Yeah, like, share and comment, that supports my channel a lot. I'll see you in another video, bye bye, happy holidays.